This video contains some random thoughts for improvements to Google services. This is a view of my current customized homepage. The lines in red are my bookmarks. But rather than have them be in words, I'd prefer images because it would make it easier to identify them all. The images could be small squares taken from photos I upload or taken from the home pages of the sites that they lead to. Here's an example of a current desktop with the Google search bar at the bottom. I'd rather download a Google background so that I could type right from the desktop without clicking on the bar. I'd also like to use those same icons from my customized homepage on my desktop and put them wherever I want. What happens to information on the web when web pages expire? How about periodically creating a searchable copy of the whole internet so that even when content is removed, it is still searchable? Users could search Google Past to look up information that is no longer available. I'd also like to have the option of transferring old emails from Outlook or other email programs, including webmail, into my Gmail without having to forward the messages one at a time. I'd like to be able to forward multiple messages, multiple folders, or even an entire account. And I'd like to have a way to save all or many old emails into a text file so that I could print them. You could also improve the efficacy of your ads if instead of matching the ads to the content on the page, you instead tailored the ads more to the individual user based on their web history and preferences. For example, as an artist, I am likely to click an ad for discount art supplies, even if I'm currently reading the news. It would be easy enough to do this in Gmail, where you already have lots of information about the user. But if users were logged into Google the entire time they were online, ads across the internet could be specified for each user, creating a demographic of one. My idea for the Secure Pass system, shown in another video, could allow for such constant connectivity, but there are probably lots of ways of doing it. There could even be a filter so that inappropriate ads wouldn't show up on certain pages. Even if a person searched for adult content, ads related to those matters would never show up while they were on other areas of the web. And while this profiling would raise privacy concerns, users would only get ads that actually interested them, and companies would be more likely to attract interested clientele. As a postscript, I'd also like to be able to attach multiple documents at the same time in Gmail, like you can do in Outlook, without having to browse anew for each document.